Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up the ticket tool bot on your Discord server. So let's get started. So here we are on tickettool.xyz, and from here we are gonna add or invite ticket tool bot to our Discord server. So to do it, we just simply need to click here, invite ticket tool right here, click this button, and you will be prompted right here to the invitation page. And from here you want to select your server. Right here in mine, I want to invite it or add it to my server, ticket tutorial for this video. And you want to enable all of this, so you want to click on authorize. And now for some verification right here, you just simply need to answer this. Very quick and very easy, just like that. You can now verify, and it is now successful. So now we can go into our Discord server. And here we are in our Discord server, and as you can see, we have the ticket tool right here, and it says, everyone, welcome ticket tool. So we have now the ticket tool in our server. So the first thing that we are going to do is that we're going to add the roles first. So we're going to go here, click on the server name right here, and we want to go into server settings. And from here, we want to go click on roles right here, and we want to create a role right here. So click create role. And from here, we want to name our role right here. For me, I will name it helper right here. So in any way you want, it will be fine. If you want it to be colored, then you can also do that. So after you're done editing it, you can now go and save changes right there. And you want to make sure that this helper right here is above the normal role right here. So if you have a member role, make sure that this is above right here, just like that, so that you will have enough permissions for your helpers to help you in your tickets. So, and you want to add the roles to the people that you want to be helper in your tickets. So you might want to add this right here. So in case you have the members right here, you want to click on their name and add the helper role in their roles. So the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to create a category right here for our ticket category. So we're going to go get or file your ticket here, just like that, create category. And after that, we're going to go here and type in /setup right here. And as you can see, this is the ticket tool logo. So you want to click on it and press enter. And now what we're going to do is click on create a panel. And from here, we want to set a name for our panel right here. So set a name, just like that. And I think support tickets is enough for me, but if you want to change that, then you can also do that. So click on submit after you're done, and click save and continue. And of course, now we're going to select the roles that we have created here, the helper role, because this is what the people that we want to assign as a helper needs, so that they can help us in filing tickets, just like that. And now save and continue, so that we can proceed right here and select the categories, of course. So in our category, it will be file your ticket category, because this is what we have created, and click on save and continue. So now step 4 out of 5, what we're going to do is we're going to create a channel right here. We're going to name it logs right there and create a channel. And you want to move this under file your ticket or under the category that we have made. And let's go back, because that channel, this lag channel, is the location where transcripts will be saved into. So that's very important. And we want to select the logs right here on step 4, and we want to go and save and continue. And the next one would be the ticket creation panel. So we're going to create another channel right here, and we're going to go and name it that create your ticket here. So this is where the people will be creating your ticket in case they need help or whatsoever. So you need to really create this one. So we'll go back into the general, and we're gonna go and complete step 5 out of 5. So we're gonna go and select create your ticket here channel, and we want to finish it right there. And now it's finished. So before we end this video, let's go and check if this works right here. So as you can see, we have the ticket tool right here in our create your ticket here channel So let's see if it's worked. So click on create ticket right there. And as you can see, it is creating right here. Here it is, the create ticket right there. So we can type the message right here. So whatever concerns you have, hi, let's say, hi, I have a problem with my Discord. Something like that. And you want to press enter. And then when it does, then you go to logs right here. As you can see, there's none. And you're going to close it. When you are finished, you can close it. Now click on close, just like that. And ticket closed by Kiru, support ticket controls, just like that. And you're gonna go press or click here on transcript so that it will be saved. And as you can see, transcript has been saved to logs and it will be right here. So that's it. As you can see, the ticket tool is working. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.